Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install Fedora-based Ultramarine Linux OS? Ultramarine Linux is a Fedora-based Linux distribution designed to stay out of your way and be easy to use. Ultramarine Linux keeps up with the latest and greatest software in the open-source community, while trying to be stable and secure. Ultramarine is for everyone, from the beginner to the tech enthusiast, and even Windows dropouts. In this video we will show you how you can wisely install Ultramarine OS on your PCs or laptops. So let's begin. You must be seeing Ultramarine Linux OS installer boot screen. You can find the bootable installer image from official source and boot from it to be able to reach at this stage of installation. Let's boot and start the installer. The initial boot may take a while. Please have patience during this. Welcome to the world of Ultramarine. Let's choose Install it to hard drive and start its installation. Choose your installation locales. This is the easy part. Choose your installation disk. For this setup we have a blank disk. Choose the other option to choose the storage configuration for Ultramarine. As we have a blank disk we can be assisted for partitions layout by the installer itself. It's easy. The option partitions are good enough for the stable installation of Ultramarine Linux OS. Hit done when you are ready. It's time to create a login user for Ultramarine OS. You can create it as shown. Make sure to choose this login as having administrative powers. This will help you. All done wisely. Just hit begin installation to start the installation. From this point the installation may take a couple of minutes. Please have patience during this. The Fedora-based Ultramarine Linux OS installation has been done successfully. You can click on Finish Installation and reboot your PC to start using your newly installed Ultramarine Linux OS. Log in with your created username and password. Welcome to Fedora 36-based Ultramarine Linux OS. It's amazing and bug-free. You can use it as your daily diver as well. It's a try must. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.